Right guys, well this is a subscriber request, this video. So a subscriber asked me how I'm going to deal with these milky driving lamps, and the headlamps were exactly the same actually. I've just done the headlamps, so I know how to do it now, and I thought I'd just share with you and show you how I do the driving lamps, because the driving lamps are a little bit more difficult to do. But yeah, I'm doing requests now. So let me pop this driving lamp out and I'll show you how we clean that up so it's nice and crystal clear again. So I don't know why it's gone like this. It's like a white film inside the actual driving lamp itself. Like I say, I know the car's been left in the damp, so it's probably to do with the damp. So there we go, connector off. Let's get this up on the bench. There's a bit of a close view. It's meant to be crystal clear, this. So there we go. This can be a little bit tricky. Turn the lens over. First job, get the bulb out. Little tip for you, don't ever touch the glass, that'll cause the bulb to blow. And then what you see is there's this metal, I don't know what you call it, a shield inside here, and this actually stops you getting anything down inside because the metal deflector piece is down inside there. So you need to get this bit out. There's kind of 3 lock tabs which hold it in place. The backing of this is just metal, so you can just bend them out the way. Make a note of what direction that comes out. So top, that's where the plug goes. So it comes out of there, see what I mean? That's inside, so that prevents you from cleaning it out. Next bit's dead easy, and as I say, I have already done one of these, and I've done the headlight just so I know what I'm doing. Some brake cleaner, some solvent of some sort. Brake cleaner, I use it for all sorts of things. Just spray that inside there, swish it around a bit, paintbrush. Just get in there with a paintbrush and you can get right into the corners and everywhere inside. So it probably takes 5 minutes with a paintbrush, so I won't bore you. You've just got to, yeah, just clean the inside with a brush. So let me pause you for a moment. I'll bring you back when we're done. So look at that, there we go. That is much better now. We just need to refit that back piece back in there. So there we go, pointing upwards. There is actually 3 tabs on here, but one is broken. I can't imagine anyone's done this before. It's probably been broken since it was new, or it's not been folded over properly. Yep. But that's fine, that holds it in place. Bulb in, like I say, just make sure you get the bulb the right way round. You can't really fit it the wrong way round because it's square at one end, round at the other. Like it's got an indent in it. And then finally, I should have put this in first. Right, let's get that back in the car and then I'll show you what it looks like. Nearly broke it. So there we go guys, all done. I've done the headlamps, I've done the driving lamps both sides, I've put new bulbs in them, I really wasn't sure whether that milkiness had come out, but that really worked a treat. Bit of brake cleaner in there, paintbrush, just clean it up. Absolutely perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this little update. Like I say, little subscriber request. If you want me to do something as I go through this, just comment down the bottom and I'll see whether I can, you know, do it, describe it for you, see if I can help you out as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.